this is Angela Moorad at Amazing Kids AAC Consulting. This is a look at the new collaboration between ARASAAC and AsTeRICS Grid. This has just been launched this week and is free for online use. From reading the description, it sounds like once you get it all set up the first time that you could potentially use it offline. I haven't fully tried that part out, but according to the description, that looks like that's possible. One thing I was excited to find is I went in here and set my English, instead of to automatically detect, I set it my language to English, and I set the grid content to English, and then I left this on automatic.
This is an English sentence.
And because I have the Ella and Josh voices set up in acapella on this Android tablet, this is my Samsung Android tablet, then it was able to use that voice. So that was super exciting to discover. If I wanted to change to Josh, I would go over and change it on my voice settings as that default voice here on my tablet, and then this app should pick that up. And let's go back to main.
About me. My pets.
So I would definitely do editing. I mean, it's just kind of a beginning shell, so to speak, that you would want to probably add to and edit. Like, for example, how they spell colors here in USA English, that would not be correct. But it's exciting to have another free option, and that it supports quite a few different languages. And you have the option to go into full screen. To get out, you swipe down. If I wanted to prevent that from getting into editing accidentally, I would lock it and then go into full screen. And now when I swipe down, I'm going to have to tap it multiple times to get out. And I think there was even a way to set a passcode. So just wanted to give you a beginning look at this new free option.